part because I do think it helps. Because it was just absolutely Capri threw my SPF at the wall at swimming lessons. It's broke like this. I just can't justify putting it in the bin, so I'm just praying and hoping that it's okay and not gone out of date or gone off. I have to just store it upside down now. It's brilliant. I love this SPF, so I'm just really hoping that it stays okay like that. Oh, that is a bit of something, isn't it? It's from the SPF from the hands. Guys, I can't lie to you, this is the absolute state. I left the kitchen in last night. Oh my god, I hate leaving the kitchen like this, but I was just so exhausted last night. I was like, I just need to leave everything at my bum and go to bed. So now we need to clean first thing in the morning, which is not ideal. Just wanted to quickly show you this gratitude journal that I made in Notion. I actually made it last year, but I really got out of the way of doing it every day, and I've got back into it again and I absolutely love it. You literally just press this little button. I can't even remember exactly how I made it. I went down a bit of a rabbit hole on YouTube on how to do different things on Notion and ended up making this, which I just absolutely love. So it just says good morning, and it's got these cute little emojis because I just love things that look really nice. And I write 3 things I'm grateful for, what would make today great, daily affirmations, and then at night I do highlights of the day and what did I learn today. To be honest, I'm better at the morning part of it than the evening, but I'm trying to get back into doing the evening part because I do think it helps just to reflect on the day at the end of the day. And then I always use ChatGPT to help me, which is probably just really lazy, but I just kind of say to ChatGPT, this is how I'm feeling this morning, this is what I've got planned for today, can you give me a few things to be grateful for from this, or what would make today great? And it just kind of summarizes it for you and makes it, I don't know, easier to digest. But yeah, that's just what I've been doing every morning at the moment. Some mornings I do miss it if it's absolutely chaotic, and like I said, the evening one does get missed quite a lot, but I'm trying really hard to stick to it and not to just stick to it for the morning for the first part for the whole year. Okay guys, we are officially out of the house. I didn't film getting ready because it was just absolute chaos and we didn't want to put her top on, so I didn't manage to film anything. But we're going to Hampstead Heath now. We're going to just go for a little bit of a walk and get her some fresh air because I have to be back for Pilates at 3 o'clock. We're just going to see how it goes because she doesn't seem to be in the best of moods, so if she falls asleep in the car then we might just end up turning around and coming back home. go because it's raining. That's not good then. Careful of Pikachu though. Do you want me to hold Pikachu? It doesn't get all muddy. Because I always say she can't do it because she's not got her wellies on. It's a really muddy puddle, that one. Capri, try? You've got the outfit for it today. How cute is this little spoon holder that I got from Anthropology? Put my spoons on it so that the surfaces don't get all covered in sauce. So cute! No, baby, got to take the skins off. Got to wash it first though. All the hair, brush it on the hair a bit off, yeah? Good job. Woo! Let mummy finish it because it looks quite clean, that one. How about I clean it and then you put it in the bowl? Thank you very much. Mummy's going to clean it, then you're going to put it in the bowl. Yeah? So I need to make sure it's really, really clean. With this anything. You want to help me? Okay, you can put that in the bowl for me now. Yeah? Thank you very much. I love you. Yeah. Push, 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 push. Watch fingers. Push, 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 push. Good job, baby. There you go. You've got everything you need there, baby. Good job. Good job, my baby. Come in. Hello guys, I am literally only just about to have my shower now because it was just a little bit chaotic. My partner actually took me to Pilates. More blueberries? Yeah. More blueberries? You finished them already? She's really enjoying blueberries at the moment. So yeah, then we got shower and juice after, and then I came home and had to start cooking straight away. So I'm literally just having my shower now and it's 8 o'clock at night. Blueberries. Okay, come in. Okay, so I didn't put a lot of makeup on today. I don't really wear a lot of makeup anyway, but I'm just using this micellar cleanser water and a little cotton pad to remove whatever makeup I did have on. And I just put a little bit of bronzer, concealer and blusher, which is pretty much all I ever wear anyway. And then I just thought I'd show you quickly because I absolutely love this shampoo and conditioner. It's the Quay Thick Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. I just absolutely love it. I just feel like it really cleans my hair like no other shampoo and conditioner. I just thought I'd show you now because I'm going to actually have a shower with Capri in here because her dad's gone to the gym. So it's probably going to be a little bit chaotic. But I normally just double shampoo with this and then condition, and once I put the conditioner in I just brush it through quite a bit for a couple of minutes. I try and leave it on for a couple of minutes just so it feels nice and soft. And I definitely need a cut. I honestly haven't had my hair cut for like over a year, which is terrible. Definitely needs a little bit of a trim. But for now, we're just going to try and look after it as best we can. Okay guys, that was just as chaotic as I thought it was going to be. But anyway, I washed my face with this CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, which I've used for years and years, and I just absolutely love it. I wouldn't use anything else, and it's super cheap as well, and it lasts forever. And then I recently bought this CeraVe moisturising cream, which I've been using recently, and I've been enjoying it. I feel like you need a few serums and things with this moisturiser, and I was doing a bit of a ChatGPT skincare routine because I feel like I need to get a skincare routine back together again, and it kept recommending this for the night time. So I'm going to put this serum on. I've only been using it a couple of nights, but I feel like it's been making my skin so soft, so I've been very much enjoying it. I've seen that serum everywhere. I remember getting flights like years ago and seeing it on the in-flight duty-free things that you can buy, and I always thought if things are in those magazines then they're probably not that good, but it's actually really good. So I'm just putting the CeraVe moisturising cream on now. And then at the moment, that's pretty much all I'm doing for my skincare routine, but I'm getting back into my blusher because I absolutely love this. It always makes my face look really sculpted, and I do notice a difference with it. I know they say that it's only a temporary thing, which I think it is, but I think it helps. It makes me feel nice and put together. I kind of normally just do this while walking around doing something as well, because there's not much time in my day to be standing still, but I'm going to give it a quick whiz with you guys now. So that's pretty much it, I think, for my skin. So for my hair, I recently bought this Quay leave-in conditioner, and to be honest, I don't know if I'm seeing the results of it yet. I'm not sure if I'm blown away by it or not just yet. I'm sure it's making my hair feel a bit more, I feel like I need to do it in sections because I have such thick hair. I feel like if I do it in sections a little bit, that would probably help. But as of right now, my towel, my combs conditioner. Yeah, my towel's about to go, so we don't want to be seeing that. So I'm just going to comb that through again. I feel like my hair is just so thick. It's hard to kind of get to in the bits. And then the last thing that I've been using is this Gizu hair oil. And again, I've seen this for years and years, and I honestly thought it was a little bit of a gimmick. I thought, oh, it's kind of like an influencer brand and it's not going to be that great, but so good. I've been using it every night in the ends of my hair, and then putting it in a low bun and in a scrunchie, and in the morning my hair has been feeling so silky. But ChatGPT said to use it on my wet hair after I wash it, as well as using it every evening on my dry hair. So that's what I've been doing, and I definitely say that is worth a purchase for sure. I've seen a big difference, even just as you put it in your hair. It feels so silky. Nice. And I think that's pretty much everything. I'm about to cream my body, so I'll show you what I use on my body. So this is the cream that I use on my skin, on my body. I just love this. I've got very dry skin, very sensitive skin, and this is the cream that I find is the best for me.